You searched how to buy shares of Cimpress Plc. Cimpress is a global printing and mass customization company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CMPR. This video is for educational purposes and does not provide financial advice. To buy CMPR, you need a broker account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CMPR to locate the company. Select the listing that corresponds to Cimpress on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows Cimpress Plc and the CMPR ticker to ensure this is the right stock. Click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled as a limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your CMPR position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to the example eToro page is in the description if you want to explore the platform. This is not investment advice.